Hello everyone, and
hello everyone.
so you saw me make this probably last week, and this is my color wheel, and today we are playing around with primary colors.
I want to do a color.
Hold on. So I have the primary colors mixed up in these. Now this is, I got these on clearance at a local beauty supply. Hold on, Laura, hold on. But you can get these in food places and different kinds. But this one, just because they were cheap, I grabbed these. And I didn't notice until I started filling these, but they do have ounces on the side, which is nice for proportion. So I have the blue, I have the red, and I have yellow, which has red fingerprints on it because I didn't wear gloves. And there's like some chunks floating in the bottom. I tried to mix this up, but for whatever reason, every time I use the Wilton's yellow...
Mom, you have fingerprints.
I know, it's okay. It doesn't like to mix that well. So I mixed it as well as I could. And we have the Stroll Roving,
You have to try these, Mommy.
which is 75% superwash merino wool,
Which one do you
25% nylon down.
Which one of these do you
And this is 100 grams. So what I thought was to put it in here and just kind of wrap it around itself like this into a circle.
Into a big circle.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna do this all the way around.
Why is it cold in here?
I don't know. And it's a little bit too big for my pot. Let me see if I have a different pan. Hold on, the only other pan I have is a cake pan. So we'll see how that works. And I'll just do my best to wrap this around. And I'm doing this kind of loosely. And so I'm gonna have to, there we go, shove it in there. No. Okay, maybe I'll do it tighter. Let me see if I can do it tighter. Okay. We'll see.
Let's put some
Oh. Okay, and like always, am I in frame? Okay, like always, I forgot to buy gloves, so I'll try this and see. So we'll start with red, and let me see if I can do about a third.
That
That's pretty saturated. Let's move on to the yellow,
then we will do the blue.
and then we'll do the blue.
Let's do some of the level. Okay, Mom.
Alright, let's try to saturate this the best we can. Oops.
That's done. It's done.
Alright, hold on.
It's done. Just a minute.
No, I gotta saturate this. Oh, I forgot to say, I did about 6 ounces of water and a tablespoon of vinegar, and I did warm water in each of these bottles. And then about, oh no. Hold on, I'm making a mess. And about half of a teaspoon of, oh goodness, of the Wilton's color.
Never the blue.
Food coloring. My goal with this is there will be
Just
a little
some
bit
of
of...
it. Just some of it. Just some of it.
Hold on, I gotta do this whole area, honey. So my goal is that there'll be some bleeding like this, and there'll be some secondary color mixing, kind of like the color wheel, but on Roving. So I'm just gonna, and I tried, so I picked, this is royal blue, red, and then lemon yellow. So I tried to pick a blue that I knew was not gonna likely break, because delphinium blue, it breaks much like the violet does, and I didn't want any breaking. I wanted as pure a color as I could get, and I know there'll probably be white spots, and I'm okay with that. Real quick, I wanted to tell you how I processed this yarn. So I put it in the oven at about 250 degrees. I covered it and I left it there for about an hour. I don't have a microwave, so this was the best way to get the heat to process it. I really like how it turned out. I like the white color bits, and I hope you do too. Thanks for watching. Bye!
I'll show you where